In this video, I'll highlight a few new features within VRM that you, as an installer or distributor, may find useful. If you need to manage multiple systems, you can now search through all the systems. You can search using an installation name, installation ID or VRM portal ID. You can search using a user's email address or domain, as well as a device serial number. This search helps to navigate and find a system, even if you have hundreds or even thousands of systems to manage. We've continued to make the VRM platform even easier, and you can now go directly to a product settings page from within VRM. You'll need to have VictronConnect installed on your tablet, PC or Mac. Simply go to the device list within VRM. Select the device and there is a new Open in VictronConnect button that not only opens the VictronConnect app but goes directly to the device. This can be done on VRM anywhere in the world, and you can change settings and configurations without having to return to the device or to try and instruct an end user over the phone.